Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We're at the 40th ITEXPO Tech Super Show here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's February 2023. Glenn Goldberg is with us. He's with Parallel Communications. Glenn, how are you?
I'm very good, Rich. Great to be here. Congratulations on really another excellent show.
Thank you so much. And we got that announcement overhead, which hopefully we can continue working here and make it happen. Lots of buzz, lots of noise. So, in terms of new technology, you and I, we have great conversations about tech. ChatGPT has come out in the last few months. What do you think about it?
So ChatGPT is great today, and people will forget about it soon when something better comes along. So this is really the transient nature that we see in technology, going back to like Clubhouse, and some of your colleagues mentioned WiMAX. There's always something new and exciting coming out, and it's great until something else comes out.
And you know, you have a lot of experience in this space. You've got clients, I mean, IoT, 5G, AR, VR, space, fintech, just to name a few. I mean, first of all, congratulations. It's impressive that you've got such a breadth of clients, but also, you know, you've got some interesting ones. Tell us, how do you do it, and tell us about a few of those clients.
So I guess I'm fortunate in that I have a very limited capacity in understanding technology. I know a little bit, but we understand go-to-market. And that's probably the biggest thing is, yeah, the tech is great and it's interesting and it's compelling and sometimes it's really differentiated, but what's the benefit to customers? Why do they want to buy it? And that's a real important part of what we do, is bringing that go-to-market aspect to the PR campaigns. Because unless people understand how to sell it and people understand what they're going to do with it, it's just going to die on the vine.
So what are some of the challenges you're seeing in the market for tech companies?
Again, the pace of innovation that we've seen over the past 2 years or so with a lot of AI development is just insane. Everyone is jumping onto the AI bandwagon, and for really good reasons in terms of automation, lowering OpEx, things like that. But then you have things, what is AI? I have a chatbot, so I'm now an AI provider. I do something else, I'm an AI provider. And the challenge is really for the channel, people that sell that, because they have to decipher all this and they have to figure out how they're going to sell it, and they have to figure out how they're going to make money on it and what they're going to bundle with it and training costs and so on. So we kind of need to dumb this down as an industry and say, take a step back and say, it's not the tech that sells, it's the benefits that sell.
So you think that companies are overemphasizing features instead of the go-to-market?
Yeah, I would say that's a good way of putting it. There's always engineering-driven companies will always say, look at the features, look at the functionality, look at the text, and why wouldn't it succeed? Well, there's a disconnect with what channels can absorb and really what end users can absorb as well. Everyone wants to be a disruptive force in the industry, but no one really likes disruption. Certainly the end users and the channels don't want disruption. So that's where a huge disconnect is.
Makes a lot of sense. So, Glenn, I think out of the last 40 ITEXPOs, I've seen you at a lot of them, if not all. We are thrilled to have loyal attendees that come back again and again. So why do you keep coming?
Well, you guys make it so easy to work with. We're able to, provide, we think a well-spoken panelists, to the sessions that will provide education. Plus the other thing is you bring together a lot of different technologies, but you also bring in the channel component through MSP Expo, which is real important as well. So all these aspects tie together, and I think that's a big differentiator for ITEXPO.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Rich. Great to see you.